Hi, I'm Jim Crane from Yoga for the Ageless. Let's talk about level 1 here. So level 1 is the basic starting point to acclimate the muscles to these different movements. If you think about it, back when we were in the hunter-gatherer days, we were moving the body in all different ways as we sought out the food for the day. Modern day man doesn't do that. Modern day man uses the body in very limited ways. For example, back when they used to have they used to have a little hole that they would squat down to, where today we have horse toilets. Well, the modern day toilet seems much more comfortable, but in reality, we lose the ability to squat. Those muscles atrophy and they tighten from sitting on the toilet versus squatting way down. And so we aren't able to use it, and then we're out in our gardens and we don't have that mobility. And that's what these movements are all about. So level 1 is just going to acclimate the muscles. The muscles take time to acclimate to the new movement. So we start with level 1. Don't be in a hurry. Take a month on level 1 if you've never done this stuff anymore, because although some of them may seem simple, it still takes the body time to acclimate. So let's get going.